Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya. So as you've seen the title, I will be talking about retinol, and the retinol that I will be talking about is from a Korean brand named as Some by Me. And also I would like to mention that I have a oily acne prone skin, and my skin kind of has very sensitive skin barrier because I try a lot of products. I get acne here and there, so keeping that in mind, so I will be talking about the product that I have got. So this is the trial kit that I have got, because first of all, these two products individually cost a lot. Now the retinol serum actual price single piece cost around 2200 something, and the eye serum cost around 1600 something. So I got the trial pack which cost around 1250 in Limsy. You can check the links in my description box. It comes with a serum and the eye cream that I mentioned, and it has it over here. This is the serum and this is the eye cream. The serum has 10 ml of product in the trial kit, and the eye cream also has 10 ml of product. And that's why I said I tried it for 1 month, because now it's almost over. But first, I would like to talk about retinol, because I think a lot of people might not know what exactly retinol does. So, retinol is a great ingredient for your skin anti-aging, to kind of slower the process of aging. Okay, so it will help with your fine line, wrinkles, and boosting collagen, because when you are growing old or you're aging day by day, the collagen production in our skin and in our body kind of decreases. That's why you have to either drink something, eat something that has collagen to it, or you can use collagen based skincare products to kind of make your skin look tight, rejuvenated, and firmer with your age. And not only that, retinol can be used for acne purpose also. It really helps in cell turnover, because it will help to get rid of your old dead skin cells. And that's why retinol is a very good and a star ingredient for acne, for kind of pigmentation, for collagen production, for aging purpose, for wrinkles. It is a very good ingredient. Now, there are multiple retinol serums and creams in the market, but the reason why I wanted to give this one a try, because it has a clinical solution, it is dermatologically tested, and it is non-comedogenic, and also helps with your skin texture. I was facing a lot of acne, a lot of congestion. Since then, I was trying this particular product out to see what is exactly happening, and I was shocked by the results, and that's why this review is important. So this is the Some by Me Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum. It has retinol 0.1%, it has retinol 1 ppm and Bacchol 5000 ppm. These are the key ingredients of the serum, but it also has niacinamide, centella acetica, and it also has fig extract, some other fruit extracts, and some good oils to kind of nourish your skin. Because even though it's a retinol, retinols are usually known for drying your skin out and peeling your skin, but this particular retinol serum has some good calming ingredients and also some good hydrating ingredients, so that your skin doesn't flare up and peel off, because this is gonna moisturize and nourish your skin and as well do the actual work which it's supposed to do. So it was a very good, like the formulation, if you go through the ingredient list, I will put it over here. It has a very good ingredient list, and the way they have put the retinol, the niacinamide, and also the centella acetica, and also the oils at the end of the ingredients is pretty good to make it very hydrating and very effective serum, I would say. And it is clinically tested, so it is more safe for sensitive acne prone skin. Okay, you can see, look at the glow and look at the hydration that it gives to your skin. Though I can't apply and go in the daylight, but it's a nighttime serum, so you have to apply it at night, and it really hydrates and work on your skincare issues. Now, I was facing a lot of acne, so I worked on that. It really helped to reduce those acne and the stubborn acne marks, especially the acne spots and the hyperpigmentation I was having. If you look at my skin now, you won't see any acne bumps, though I have a little bit of makeup, but there is no acne bumps whatsoever whatsoever. These were the previous acne marks that I had, and I was trying to reduce it with this particular serum, which it did pretty nicely. It's no bump, as you can see it's dried, but there is this spot and pigmentation that I have. So using this sort of retinol serum is very helpful for your skincare, and I use it only twice to thrice a week because that just works the best. I don't use retinol every day, guys, so that just makes this product last a little bit longer because it's so tiny and so cute, and I could test it out properly. And also I would like to say this retinol serum has a very slight fragrance to it. Now I usually don't like clinically proven like serums to have fragrance in them, but it has, but it is very mild, which did not irritate my skin. Okay, that's something I would like to mention. It did not like burn or felt irritated, like okay, it is not really going with my vibe, like skin vibe, but the fragrance is there, but it did not irritate my skin or bother me or give me a headache. Nothing like that. So I have been trying out tretinoin for like literally for a very long time. You can say more than 1 year now, and it really hurts my skin. It kind of flares up. It becomes very dry, but I still use it because I think it's gonna work on my anti-aging and thing. I can prevent it, so I just keep on using it. But it did help my skin to combat the acne, but not completely. I do get sometimes flare-ups using this particular tretinoin, so this is a very good alternate solution because it hydrates my skin, it works on my acne and texture without flaring up, without giving me skin texture. I know it's a very two different things I'm talking about, but still I'm just saying you what I do. This was in my skincare routine. I have just switched it with this one, so it's working great, and it actually did the job much better because it didn't irritate my skin, but it helped with my skin texture and pigmentation and acne. So this would be a 5 out of 5, and it's a perfect all-in-one serum for working on my skin and cell turnover and doing a sort of exfoliation at night. Like this is like the perfect serum you can get for your skin if you're above 25. Okay, now coming to the next product that it has is their eye cream. So it is the Some by Me Retinol Advanced Triple Action eye cream, and it has 10 ml of product. Now the eye cream lasted me more, and it has a lot of product still in it because you need the tiniest amount, like literally even with the serum you need the tiniest amount to cover a whole face. Like this is less is more kind of a serum, so I still have a little bit which I think I'll get over. I have to get a bigger bottle for this. And now coming to this particular product, it has a retinol 0.1% and retinol 1 ppm. And coming to the ingredients, it also has centella acetica, it has niacinamide, same as the serum. It has other seed extract, fruit extract. It has a very good hydrating and brightening ingredients in this particular eye serum that will help to brighten your under eyes. Now, this particular eye cream is gonna target your dark circles, your puffiness, and your wrinkles or lines underneath your eyes. Now, I basically have a hollow dark circle under eye. Like there is dark circles, but there is this hollowness which I want to uplift and make my under eyes look more hydrated and supple. And also I've used retinol before, and I have noticed that retinol actually works underneath my eyes because it really helps to kind of boost that collagen and kind of makes my under eyes look a little bit better and supple. So I thought this would be great to try it out. And this has a very nice consistency. Again, it has a little bit creamy but a very lightweight formula, but a little bit thicker than the serum, I would say. It has more of a lightweight creamy texture, which is amazing, and the fragrance is more milder than the serum. But initially what I was seeing, it was just feeling my underneath my eyes were feeling hydrated, nothing else I was noticing. So it was more after 2 weeks I started noticing something is happening underneath my eyes. I was looking a little bit brighter. So yes, you have to give a good shot to this product, then you can see some good results. Another thing I would like to warn you guys, after using this eye cream, don't try to stay awake or do any other activities like watching any series, which I have done it, and then after that my eyes started watering and I was like, why is it so? Because it is something that has active ingredients, and after applying this, it's better if you just go to sleep. So yeah, I really enjoyed this, and I will definitely buy the bigger bottle of the serum because it worked beautifully. And the eye cream, I still have so much left, so I have to finish that and then think that do I need the bigger one or not. But definitely I would recommend you this trial kit, and you can get the link in my description box. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. And yes, if you have any questions, you can comment below. I am always there to answer to your any doubts and questions. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel, that would mean a lot to me.